Welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Today, let's talk a little bit about how you should be prioritizing, some time for yourself, right? It's really important. It really is. And again, I'm not trying to be woo here. What I'm trying to say is every day when you get up as a leader, as a business owner, can you look in the mirror and go, today I am my best self that I can be for the people around me? If the answer is no, well, then you're just another shit leader out there. All right. That's what you are. If the answer is no, that's you. You're that person that's toxic, probably. You go to work pissed off because your life sucks and all these different things, or something happened yesterday, yada, 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 yada. If you're the kind of person that gets up in the morning and is able to set themselves into a regimen every morning and, be positive, be glass full, not either halfway or any of that, be full, a full cup, going to work every day and interacting with your people, that's good leadership. That is good leadership, and that's going to get you a long ways. But that requires you to take care of yourself and prioritize some time for yourself every day to be able to recreate, as I like to say. We need to recreate ourself, to where we feel good about what's going on around us. We feel good. We feel refreshed. We feel on top of our A game. We feel like we're appreciated, right? These are all the things that our employees want to feel, or our leaders. We should want to feel the same thing. And if we're not, that means we're deficient somewhere. And when you're deficient somewhere, that means you're going to work, and then you're probably a shit leader at work. It's just the truth, okay? So take some time, recreate, make sure your own garbage is out of your head every day before you go to work and you interact with your people. Be ready to go. Be on your A game, right? Be on your A game and be ready to, receive and give at the same time. And your experience will be far better, I guarantee you. And it'll lead to a much happier company in the long run. Okay. All right. I hope that was helpful. Again, maybe a bit harsh, but sometimes some of you need that. Smash the like button if this was good for you. And as always, you can get a hold of me at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. And remember, go dream it, believe it, and achieve it. See you on tomorrow's dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.